Looks like I might have a leak. Hey guys, my name is Natasha Adams and this is my 73 F100. I'm going to be taking this on a road trip that's 300 miles, so it's kind of a short road trip, but I'm doing that this weekend. So I'm going to go through the car right now. Oil, brakes, what else is there? Transmission fluid. Not important. I mean, usual road trip stuff. So the reason I'm going to Los Angeles is because I have a new vintage dash that I want to be putting into this thing. It's the whole cluster for this specific model and year of Ford. I'll put the link to it to the description so you guys can see if you have one of these trucks. I'm super excited. It should just be plug and play, whatever that means. So come with me. We're going to check this thing out and see if there's anything that I should worry about. The oil level better be good because I just changed the oil, so I'd be very surprised if it moved at all. Okay, power steering. It's actually good, surprisingly. It leaks, but it stays pretty level, surprisingly. I'm gonna keep my eye on that one. I'm gonna check my brake fluid. It actually looks like I might have a leak. Amazing. As you can see right here on the proportioning valve, it's leaking when I push the brakes. So only under pressure, but that's still pretty sketchy. So I'm gonna go into town, see if they have an O-ring that I can just pop that open and replace. If not, then it's a week for a new proportioning valve. Yay! So it's the next day, and the good news is I found a whole new proportioning valve at one of the stores out here. So I'm gonna go pick that up. So I'm gonna top this off and go pick that up because this is my only vehicle. Okay, the deed is done. Hopefully this will just be able to swap the lines over. You think so? Okay, I'm home, safe and sound. So I'm gonna see all the fittings. The placement is correct, so I'm gonna make sure that they're all the same thread. Okay, so it's the old one. God, this truck isn't even lifted and I'm barely tall enough to even just reach this stuff. So this is all fixed, all the lines are on, there's no leaks. So we're ready to hit the road tomorrow. Ready to go? Ready to hit the road? Most important bag of all. The fix anything bag. Yes, this truck has a fuel gauge and it does work, but do I trust it? No, so I'm gonna get a gas can. Sure feels like it. Something must have happened up here. I'm home. Truck did really good. And now it's time to go to sleep. Okay, here we go. It's finally time. Oh, no, maybe. There it goes. We're gonna put this in. Well, here it is. Here's the dash. This is their M102 series, which I went specifically with because of the old school look. The white numbers with that orange accent just won me over right away. We took off the old dash, which you can see is pretty faded here. The kit comes with a new temperature sensor, an oil pressure sensor, and a GPS sensor for your miles per hour. We pin the new connector that plugs right into the OEM connector, transfer over the signal wires and power and ground to the other gauges, and put that dash right back together. And of course, check to make sure that everything on the dash was working before actually screwing it back in. And cut that surrounding trim because my dash is no longer in 3 pieces. It's a singular piece with circular gauges. And here's the first full startup with the new cluster. On the first display, you can see me switching through some of the settings there. 0 to 60, race car stuff, mileage, and then on the second screen, your peak RPM, your voltage going through the system. I think that's how long you've been driving, which is a really cool option. Then it was time to call it a night and start that miles per hour sensor in the morning. So as you guys probably saw in that last night driving video, my miles per hour gauge was not working. Now I have to install my GPS sensor for the miles per hour because this truck is going to go through a lot of modifications. So I might as well get something that isn't hardwired to the transmission because the transmission might be a few miles an hour too slow because I have bigger tires. So I'm going to put this on really quick and then we'll go for a drive and then that's it. Super pretty easy install except for getting this at home. So there you go. Just got to figure out placement. Where do I want to put this? I think I'm going to put it here. Somewhere in this vicinity. So I'm going to run this. Okay, so now that the wiring stuff is done, on to more things that I don't know how to do, which is calibrate it. So I have to read. Okay. On. Right. Okay. Green. I don't even know if that's a button. So that's supposed to get to 100 miles an hour. No! Got in. Okay, so I have to just get near 100 miles an hour now, it says. If I pass it, and if it won't sit on 100 miles an hour, I guess I just have to get to the 99 miles an hour, and then hold it for another 3 seconds. Okay, folks. We're gonna do this very carefully. Okay, so it's at the 99. Probably should have been doing this. Oh, no. Okay, so then hold for 3 seconds. Is that it? I'm done? Is that it? I'm done? I'm done? Is that it? Press and hold, blah, blah, blah. 3 times, blah, blah, blah. Flush 3 times, blah, blah, blah. Still, It's done! Done, finito. Cool. Just a small heart attack. I hate technology. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean this up because these are not safe. And this I have to drill because this is the little dimmer switch for the dash. So, I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I'm thinking here, but I don't know. But I need to situate that right now. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm super excited I got this cluster done, and I'm super excited that this truck did that whole road trip without any issues. So I'll see you next time. Bye!